How to enable Pin It button in Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add or enable the Pin It button from Pinterest to your Squarespace website. We're going to head over squarespace.com and we're going to sign in for an account until we are going to see the account dashboard. Once we have did that, we're going to head over the website that we want to do the process for. Click on go to website just like that. Now, we're going to wait for the website to load up just like this. And from here, we're going to head over the settings. From the settings, we're going to head over the maybe social links or the social sharing. So we're going to be heading over here. Click on the social sharing. You can go ahead and add the social logo for you. And also, we can go ahead and head over here. Pinterest save a button. So we can click on it and then we're going to enable for blogs, pages, and products. We're going to have it like this. This is the pin it or save it. As you can read, pin it. We're going to put the format of the button, either large or small, and the shape circle or rectangle. So we're going to have here the choice. If you do not want to add it to the pages and products, you can go ahead only and set it up for blogs. I'm going to set it up for everything because everything matters. The more that you're going to spread into the internet or social media, the more it is going to be set. I'm going to click on large and then we are going to click on save. I'm going to be back to the website and head over here to social sharing. This is going to be the social logo that you need to set up. Why? Because if you're going to have a post pinned into the Pinterest, you're going to need a logo. If you do not have a logo, it doesn't matter a lot, but it is going to matter about the time if you do not have it. Why? Because people will see a blank logo or image and this is going to be a big turn off. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.